Driving around Belmont, Massachusetts in the blizzard. Going ahead to get some coffee. Belmont, Massachusetts is the home of the Bank Whack channel. I'm going to take the main roads because some of these side roads can't even make it down. That's my cell phone video. It's actually not a bad one. It's off my Lotus Elite.
Out at the blizzard, but the sharpshooter still works.
Even a child can use the sharpshooter self-defense keychain. It's that easy to use.
That's the street my dojo is at. I'm passing the dojo right up here. And on the way to get coffee for the crew. And when you're in a blizzard, it's the best time to drink coffee. And here's the dojo in the blizzard. So you can get a good look. Famous Belmont, and we're going in to get coffee. Talk to you guys soon.
It's powerful, it's small, it's easy to fit in your pocket, and very comfortable in your pocket, unlike other more bulky self-defense devices. It's only $12.95 for the regular sharpshooter and $19.95 for the super sharpshooter. Right now it's coming with a free instructional DVD, so order yours today.